So let's talk tools. I was in business for 3 years before I created my business plan, and I only created one out of absolute necessity. The loans and the grants that I was applying for, they required me to have a well thought out business plan. So if you don't think you're ready for a business plan yet, I highly recommend that you at least do a 1-page business model canvas. So I'll link the templates for both the business plan and the business model canvas below. And the last tool that has been really clutch for my business has been a pitch deck. So a pitch deck is basically a visual representation of your business plan. If you're looking for investor funds or grants, you will need a pitch deck. One thing that I've learned along this journey is that investors tend to lean towards product-based businesses or tech. So it has been an uphill battle for me to get investor funds with a service-based business. Just something I'm throwing out there. It's not impossible, but what I've seen is that they want a tangible product or something technology-based that can be scalable. Tomorrow we finish up with finances. Thank you so much for watching this series. Be well, everyone.